On number 6, I'm trying to solve by completing the square. And my first step is going to be to get the x squared term and the x term on one side, and then the constant on the other. So I want to add 3 to the other side, and then leave this space here. My next step is that I don't want any coefficient in front of the x squared. So I want to divide everything by 2 to get rid of that 2 in front of that x squared. And that's going to be x squared plus 5 over 2x is equal to 3 over 2. Next I need my two numbers. So my first number is going to be half of the coefficient of the x term, or half of b. So if you take 5 over 2 times 1 over 2, you get 5 over 4. And then if you square 5 over 4, you really just square the top and the bottom, and you get 25 over 16. And it's that 25 over 16 that you want to use first. So that's going to give you x squared plus 5/2 x plus 25 over 16 is equal to, and you can do 3/2 plus 25 over 16 on your calculator and get 49 over 16. So the left will turn into x plus 5 over 4 squared, and again that's where we see this number again, is equal to 49 over 16. And then we can take the square root of both sides. And that gives us x plus 5 over 4 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 49 over 16. So you can actually take the square root of 49 and 16, and you get 7 over 4. Then I want to move that 5/4 over. Now because I don't have any radicals left, I can actually combine these. So the left branch is going to turn into a 1/2, and the right branch of the problem is going to be -3. So those will be your two answers.